This is almost 2 weeks after enrofloxacin and 1 week with the Clav. There's nothing normal about that sound. It happens every morning. Like a coffee pot percolating, correct?